lagi keep safe and good health. We love you so much. Hashtag legit gabarkad ako. Hashtag shout out Eat Bulaga.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday,
Lorenzo!
Lorenzo!
Enjoy today.
Next! Ito po, galing sa ating top fan, si Jennifer Cortez. Shout out sa baby girl ko. Happy 10th birthday! Crispy Wish you more birthdays to come and good health always. Sana makasama pa kita ng matagal. Love na love kita. Pa-shoutout din ko sa nanay ko, Jenny Cortez and tatay Reynaldo Cortez, watching from Punta Santa Ana, Manila. Hashtag legit Dabarkads po kami.
Shout out!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Crispy!
Next! Let's go, Ate
Ito po shout out ni Amador Rival, Kabilango the Third. Happy birthday, Kuya John. May God bless you abundantly with strength, wisdom, and joy as you continue serving Him faithfully. Happy birthday, Kuya John. May God bless you always.
Happy birthday, John! Dun, 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 dun. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Next!
Tralalelo, tralala.
Sabi ni PM Lafiel, blessed birthday to our Tita Fez. Tita Fez, we wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Your love and support mean everything. We love you so much. Happy birthday, Tita Fez.
Tita Fez. Tita Fez.
Happy birthday, Tita Fez.
Tita Fez.
Next. We're going! Ito naman po si Janice Malinas Recamadas. Shout out to my favorite human and forever partner in crime, my husband, Sunday. Happiest birthday, my love. Wishing you all the best in life. I love you always from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Day tayo later.
Happy birthday, Sunday!
Happy birthday. Next!
Ito naman po shoutout ni Che Jose. Good day, Dabarkads. Shoutout po sa aking asawa, Eliseo Jose Jr. Tama na makipag-date kay Coco. Ako naman. Thank you po. Legit Dabarkads here from Luzon, Taytay Rizal.
Ito ba siya, ate?
Shoutout kay Coco. Oo naman. Shoutout, Kuya Eliseo. At naroon din nag-celebrate na birthday today, si Nana Liu. Happy 82nd birthday po sa inyo. Dabarkads natin yan from Sydney.